Hello and welcome to Kelly's Cooking on the Cheap. Today I am showing you what I am pulling out of the fridge to work through and eat up before it goes bad. And what I had just showed you is some potatoes from the other night when the air fryer went kapooey. Not air fryer, the Instant Pot. I had shown you some cream of oats, pancakes, and the sausage I'm putting in the pan is what I got free with a coupon at Kroger. I'm doing part links whole, and then with the rest of the links I am cutting them or eventually pulling it into chunks for a sausage, potato, and egg scramble. There I was starting to try to cut it, but then I noticed it was easier pulling it out. If I'd known that, I wouldn't have dirtied up a knife. Sorry with my voice, but Thursday evening after work, I went to the chiropractor for an adjustment and a massage. And I think that with the massage, they're working out some of the cruddy-ness. So I am sounding horrible, like a frog. Bullfrog. So I'm sorry about it. This is part of why I'm doing the voiceover today. Here I am cutting the potato while the sausages start browning. I'm just cutting them into chunks, like if you had watched my salmon video the other night. This is what I did as well. Here, I'm stirring up the sausage so it'll get browned. But you'll see me here in a little bit to eventually put the links in the air fryer to cook up a little faster because we were starting to get a little hungry. So I was trying to rush up the process a little. Here I'm using the Kinder, the salt, pepper, and garlic powder, putting it on the potatoes for some seasoning. That's, I think, one of my favorite seasonings to use. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. Not much planned this weekend, thankfully, for a change. It's just bummed that I'm not feeling 100%. So if you hear heavy stepping in the background, it's my boy. He's doing chores. Not happy about it. But he's had a break since before Christmas, so. Here you're seeing me getting the air fryer ready to go to get the links. I thought in a way that, like other bulk sausage, that I might have had a little drippings from it for the potatoes to finish cooking, but it didn't seem to do that. Luckily, the potatoes did get cooked some in the Instant Pot the other day, so it didn't take as long getting them ready. The 2 jars back there in the back you see that I'm working on now, that is the oat bran that I wanted to try since I didn't see the cream of wheat. I'm just adding a little milk to it now to put a little liquid in it before I heat it up. Here I got 4 eggs ready because my husband and I were the only ones eating the potato sausage scramble. So I just scrambled up 4, and I'm going to add a little milk to it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends on the mood I'm in. Speaking of my boy, if you haven't got to check out his YouTube channel, which is JP Sports Corner, go check it out because he's been doing some videos on, today I think it was on the Bears and the Ravens. Oh, the Bears and the Packers. Sorry. So go check that out today. I'm kind of rooting for the Bears. Yeah, here I am checking on the sausage links. I don't remember how long I ended up finishing cooking in the air fryer. It's probably 8 to 10 minutes total. Usually the sausage scramble is my go-to for when I want something kind of salty but breakfasty. It was good. Here, this time I added some brown sugar. I think last week I had added some sweetener to it. Brown sugar, I think, made it. Here, I just got done heating the strawberry and cream pancakes that I made up last week. I truly recommend them, so if you get the chance to Trader Joe's and get a box, try them. I still have about half a box to try or finish up, but they're really good. Here I'm plating up mine and my husband's where we're doing the pancake, the sausage scramble, and the oatmeal. Whenever I'm wanting something salty, that's what I usually crave, is the egg, sausage, potato scramble. That or Lay's potato chips. But I hope you've enjoyed watching this today. It was very good and satisfying. Better than eating out for a change, which we'll probably do tomorrow. But I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you soon.